Hello, I'm here to give a kit review on a model I just got in today, a resin kit from Yay Monsters. It says ET ship, and if you're going to compare this with the Golden Armor ET kit, there's no comparison. Not to slander Golden Armor, but if you still have his resin kit and you haven't built it yet, give it to somebody as a Christmas present or something. But anyways, let me show you the model. So here are the parts laid out. Automatically, you can see a difference on the quality. It's astounding. It really is. The hieroglyph work on the edges. See if I can get some edge lighting so you can see it. Is amazing. It's set up for lights, so if you want to light it. This is the crusty bottom, which it did look like that. Fits on there like that. This is the ring, which I remember I had to do a lot of work on this with the Golden Armor one because it just wasn't right. But this is terrific, actually. So drill out for the LEDs there on the edges. So I'll try to kind of put some of it together a little bit, real quick. He nailed it. You know, I've looked at a lot of pictures of this when I rebuilt my Golden Armor one, which I've since sold to use as for moving money. You know, I know it pretty well. So, but this guy, he over and above anything I expected. You know. And it's about the same size as the Golden Armor as far as, you know, the diameter and everything. But this one is just tenfold better. You know, it gives you all the little clear blue parts that fit inside the ovals right there. Little clear insert to put in the engine. This is the ramp, which he used the same idea I did, which works really well. You just etch a piece of plexiglass. Gave me. And then what you do is you take the plexiglass etched part and you rub black paint in it, or paint black paint in it, and then rub it off, and fills in, you know, the gaps, giving you that very, you know, ornate ramp way that it had. These are the antenna parts. These are part of the legs. No, these are the engines. I'm sorry. These are the parts where you hook the engines to. The rings for the engines. As you can see through them, so the light would pass through them. The engines themselves, which are amazing. You know, these are just little parts for the landing gear. I don't want to pull anything out of the bags. And the feet, which he nailed, of course, and the little structures for it. Inside, you'll see that there's alignment points. These lines here. So move it. See, you can see there's a notch there, and there's even a little notch on the top of that thing, so you know where everything lines up at. I lined up for you there. Yeah, well, I'm going to do it right there. So, yeah, I'm not sure. I don't know if this piece has an alignment. I haven't looked at it closely enough yet. If you were to ask me if you can afford this, you'd have to be a freaking idiot not to pay $350 for this kit. Yeah, it's only $350. And you can see the size. Well, maybe you can't see the size, so I'll try to put myself next to it. That's how big it is. I don't have it closer to the lens. So if it did, then it would look, you know, my head is right next to it. So you can see it's a really good size kit and really worth the money. And I think, oops, sorry, I was looking up at the screen, you know, so I can see. Anyways, yeah, really worth the money. Well worth the money. So contact Yay Monsters. I'll put the website link on my Facebook page as well. And buy this thing, man, because it's worth every penny. Trust me. You know, I don't get, you know, amazed very much with models. Yeah, they're terrific. You know, the 3D printed ones, you really can't be amazed because you know they're going to be amazing already. So they've been pre-amazed 3D printed kits. And even though I think this was 3D printed, a lot of it he molded it and cast it in resin. It's not a 3D printed resin kit, because if it was, a lot of these landing gear parts would just shatter because it wouldn't be able to handle the weight. You know, after dealing with some 3D resin printed models. That's the problem I don't like, is they're almost like porcelain. I mean, you drop a piece and it shatters, which I've had happen, but I mean, it's still beautiful, mind you, obviously. But sometimes resin is a little tougher when it comes down to it. But not everybody can do it in resin because it's, you know, it can get expensive. It's probably easier and cheaper and cleaner and healthier just to print it out and call it done. But I'm glad he did this out of resin, you know, not because I'm old school. But yeah, so anyways, yeah, that's the kit. You know, get it. Don't wait. Get it for Christmas. For you girls and women out there, wives that are watching this, buy it for your husband. Don't let him know. If he's an ET fan, of course. But Okay, that's it. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.